What is up, Dog Pound? We're back here to teach you how to use WatchDawg's 2025 PitScouting app or system. So if you look here on WatchDawg 2025, there's the starting screen. You got press start for new game and click here for PitScouting. You're going to want to click here for PitScouting. Once you click here for PitScouting, it will open up this screen here. At the top, you want to enter the team number that you're scouting. So for this demo, we'll do 1712. You want to enter that robot's name. I'm going to do our robot's name, Mariana. The weight of the robot, their drive motor type, their drive type, their wheel type, robot length, robot width. And next, we have the fun, new, cool thing. You got location of scoring. This is new this year because we're using checkboxes. So you will click the checkbox and whenever they say they can score. So if they say they can score L1, L4, and processor, you're going to click all of those. And next, you got location of intake, where they can intake. Can they intake from the ground or the human player? You'll click that. And then you got deep climb. You'll click if they can intake from deep or shallow. If they can intake from neither, don't click either. And just leave them unchecked. And then you got your climbing features, notes on auto routine, and extra notes. These are, for the most part, any cool extra thing that the robot can do that you might want to know about, or anything that they might want to tell you about. Except for auto notes, this is where you're going to actually have like how many pieces can they pick up in auto, how much can they score, where do they want to start, any of that information. Importantly, for all of these, you do not want to include any commas or returns, as that will mess everything up. Finally, once you've done entering everything, you'll click Save. It will generate the QR code and will save a QR code to the files. After you're done that, you're going to click New Team, and then you're done. Thanks for watching.